Pretty wobbly on this bridge going over Heron Marsh.
It is.
Hold steady.
Hey, Stretch, how can I tell the difference between these two maple leaves?
Well, what you have right here, Pumpkin, is a red maple leaf and a sugar maple leaf. You could tell the difference between the two of them by the shapes of the leaves. The red maple leaf is a little bit rougher looking, whereas the sugar maple leaf is nice and smooth. The thing about the sugar maple is that it requires well-drained soil. So that's another way to identify it, based on where you see it.
Excellent.